So this week I was in need of some electrical safe screwdrivers. So I picked up this Bahco set. This is how it comes packaged. Like this, but once you have it, it will actually go like that and clip on your belt. So it's a nice safe thing, protected, and yeah. So we have a look in it. It's got your screwdriver handle. It has 6 bits. They are pH2 by 100, pH1 by 100, 5.5 by 100, 4 by 100, 3 by 100, 2.5 by 100. They clip very simply in, they pop out of there, and there's a bit of a button on the back here. You push, clip in, nice and tight, and clip out again. I eventually elected not to do the work that I was planning on doing because I couldn't figure out how to convert from the old system, which was a 3-wire system, to the new 4-wire system. But I still think they're a nice thing. It's, I don't know, I'm not... a bit difficult to get out, but I suppose you probably don't want them coming out. I'm not really that much fan of bit driver sets. I prefer to have a full set, but a full set of proper screwdrivers. But this one here, I can see the usefulness of it, especially being able to hook it on your belt and wrap it up so that it's nice and secure. I think if you were climbing ladders and that, it would be a lot better than having to carry a toolbox with you. So yeah, I think that's a nice thing. They were $110. So a bit on the pricey side, but you get what you pay for. And like I said, there's a lot of convenience there. So yeah, not a bad thing.